I think those clouds are coming in. Yeah. Woof, woof. Okay. Here comes more dogs, Max. Yeah. Oh, look at the pupper. Yeah. Woof, woof, woof. That was pretty. Yeah. I think those are hollyhocks. Hello.
What a pretty bird.
You get that a lot, don't you, Max?
Oh, Max.
Max the Moluccan.
A handsome bird. You're out for a walk.
Yeah.
Nice. Does Max speak a little bit? Oh.
Does Max get winter walks?
He does. He has a hoodie. He has a lot of hoodies.
Oh, wow.
So he just wears a hoodie to go out when there's a Chinook. So if the weather's nice, he can go out.
That is very curious.
Yeah.
How old?
Max is 30 years young. He was mango.
What lifespan do they have?
You had him all 30?
I've had him since he was 10. He's a rescue. I met him. He was living in a basement, and he knew how to bite. He knew how to scream, and he was convinced he hated women and loved men. So I was the worst possible choice. And then,
How lucky he is.
yeah, but he's changed his mind. He's decided that life's better if you don't bite, you don't scream, and you accept that mom's okay.
He gets some nice walks.
Exactly.
Like training a dog, like you give him treats to when he performs well.
You give treats, you give praise. It's very much, but he thinks he's a toddler. And that's honestly the best way to treat him. If I treat him like he's a child, I give him age-appropriate choices. You know how if you want a toddler to put on their shoes and it becomes, they don't want to put on their shoes, it becomes a fight, right? So you say, which shoe would you like to put on first? Your right shoe or your left shoe? So with Max, it's which harness would you like? The red harness or the green harness? Makes his choice.
Oh, really? How do you
And
make a choice?
I just hold him up and he picks one. He's agreed to wear one, so there's no fuss. So he's very much like a toddler.
Yeah.